guys, good morning, or actually it's afternoon here. We're actually having sort of breakfast, sort of lunch, heating up some leftovers, and I made...
You know they're not watching it at nighttime.
made Karli and I some waffles. Yeah, it could be nighttime when they're watching too. I just usually say good morning because our videos post in the morning.
Don't you post it later in the day?
Oh, 10 a.m. every day our video goes up.
10 a.m.
10 a.m. Eastern time. Karli, you have whipped cream on your neck. You saving that for later?
Where?
Right there where your hand is. There, you got it. Alright, so we've been talking about this for a while, and we're excited to share with you guys what our plan is for the holidays this year. Because last year we did kind of like a giveaway every day for the 12 days leading up to Christmas, and this year we kind of want to do something a little bit different. We feel like now our kids are a little bit older and they need to learn more about being charitable at the holidays and giving back to others. So we're gonna focus more on doing good deeds and charity and giving donations and things like that to like local organizations.
So my idea was how like last year when we gave like Christmas presents to like a family that couldn't afford it, my idea was we could do that again.
Through our church?
Yeah.
Yeah, that works out nice. Chase? What was yours?
My idea is like make cookies or Christmas treats for other families or like neighbors.
So we figured out that starting tomorrow, if we just did it every other day, that we would have exactly 12 days.
Like the 12 days of Christmas. So we really just want to use this time of year to teach our kids that December is not just about receiving gifts and, you know, cute holiday decorations and that sort of thing, but it's also about giving back, giving to others in your community, to family, to friends. And we're hoping that, and by doing so, we might encourage some of you to jump on board and do the same. And I'm thinking that some of you may already have experiences and things that you've helped out with in your own community, that if you want to give us some suggestions of some things that we could do, go ahead and comment below, tweet us, or use Instagram and use the hashtag #OFNGivingBack. And we might use some of your ideas as well. And so today we're actually really excited, and I have Karli here with me, and she's actually playing a game on her phone, which I'm going to tell you about in a second. But we're really excited today to be part of the campaign against AIDS. Yahtzee with Buddies has partnered with Apple and Red to raise money to create an AIDS-free generation. Today, 37 million people in the world are living with HIV, and half of those people do not have access to the proper treatment. So all of the money being raised gives proper treatments and medications to those living with HIV, including allowing HIV-positive mothers give birth to HIV-free babies. And we are so honored to be part of this program and share with you guys how you can help. And it's super easy and fun. We all know all you guys love playing games on your phone. Every time we share a game with you guys that we love to play, you guys always want to know about the game. So today, Karli is going to share with you what her current favorite game is.
Alright, so my favorite game right now is actually Yahtzee with Buddies. And first I had no idea how to play it all. Then my mom taught me, and now I'm better than her. Okay, so me and my mom are in the middle of a game right now, and it's my turn, so I'm just going to use twos to explain it. And if you actually know how to play like the board game Yahtzee, it's pretty much the same thing as this. But if you've never played it before, this is pretty much how you play. So I'm going to use ones as an example. So there's 2 ones down here, so I'm going to pick these, and then I get to roll again. There's no more ones, so I get to roll one more time, and I have another 1. So that means I'm going to click here, and that gives me 3 ones, and then it's the next person's turn.
Oh, and you just unlocked an achievement. So now Karli's beating me 140 to 100 because she just finished her whole top section. And then if you scroll down,
I still have to get all these.
She still needs to get 4 of a kind, full house, small straight, large straight. Yahtzee.
I already have large straight.
Oh, you have large straight. Okay, you need to get Yahtzee, though.
And chance.
Which is hard because it's 5 of a kind.
That's never going to happen.
So now here's where you can help make a difference. Between now and December 6th, if you download Yahtzee with Buddies and you purchase a pack red, which is only $4.99, 100% of the proceeds goes to help fight against AIDS. This is going to provide people with medication, treatments, counseling, and even prevention, and also towards testing that is being done in sub-Saharan Africa.
Join us in creating an AIDS-free generation by clicking the link down below and downloading Yahtzee with Buddies, and make sure you get the pack red to show your support. Thank you.
Somebody fell asleep.
Not anymore.
Is she sleeping?
You just woke her up.
So we just finished our game.
And I won.
Karli's the defending champ.
I almost got a Yahtzee. I had 4 6s and then I got 1 5. So I could have gotten like 300 points. But I got 250.
Beginner's luck is what I say. Let's try again.
Because I've never like played Yahtzee before, like the board game.
Yeah, I'm gonna beat you this time. Ready?
Okay.
So now we're doing the most joyful thing of the whole entire year. We're getting up in the attic and getting all the stuff down to decorate for Christmas. The one day of the year when everybody just gets along so well. We never argue or say anything mean to one another. Is that right?
Yeah.
Biggest lie I've ever heard in my life.
Biggest lie. It's such a joyous time having to climb up in the attic and get all of this stuff down and find places to put it all. But I will say though, listen to this. This is crazy. This is the last Christmas we'll be doing this in this house. Isn't that crazy?
That's weird.
Just think, boys. This is the last year you'll ever have to do this.
You have to do the same thing at the new place.
Mom.
Yeah, but we won't have to go up in the attic and get it.
The attic's still upstairs.
No, we'll put it all in the basement.
Why in the basement?
'Cause that's where we're gonna put it all, is in the basement.
The lid is on.
Honestly, I thought I was going to spend this Christmas
Why
on
did you even put the
crutches.
lid on?
Yeah, go put that in the den.
Chase, can you help?
What are you doing up there, Tori? What? You're on the Christmas tree. Look at you. What are you doing? You're on the Christmas tree.
She's never excited.
She's excited now. Look at her. What do you want? Get She's such a weirdo.
It's her favorite time of year.
Look at, she's so excited.
Christmas time is here.
Look at my poor Christmas trees. They're ruined. That's sad.
Thumbs up this video if you think we should still put them up. If we get over 100 thumbs up, we're putting them up.
I can't believe that.
If we get 5,000 thumbs up, we'll ship these to whoever who has the most thumbs ups.
How would you can only thumbs it up one time?
Whoever thumbs up the video the most.
Whoever gives us the most thumbs up.
Look at Sanser.
She's going for a ride.
Oh, that's cute.
Are you okay?
Did she fall?
She jumped.
Then she landed on her face.
It's a little crooked.
Which
It's
way?
going towards you a little bit. There you go, there you go.
Come on, let's go
Oh,
for
you gotta
a ride.
actually bend.
Just have to
Look up, look up.
Right when the stars are perfectly placed.
Good?
Yep.
Wow!
Perfect. Alright, we'll get a Christmas present.
He's like,
Go get both of them. Actually.
Look at him, he's ready to run.
Look at Tori just sitting there. She's such a good dog.
she's okay.
Poor Pippa's like, oh my god, what are they doing?
to be in the
Back paws here. Probably
see what this looks like.
Oh, hold on.
Oh god.
Jeez.
Hey, puppies! Did
Oh,
you get
you
a
got
good
one.
picture?
I didn't take a
I
picture.
know, but you got good footage.
I think so.
They're all looking at mom, not at the camera.
That's close enough.
Did it better.
How are you going to get 2 people in a sled?
Chase and
Gotta-
Karli can fit
Come
in
on,
that sled.
Chase, get over there. Let's see if you can do it.
Get inside that sled. They're gonna break that
Andrew, you
sled.
just have to like squat over the reindeer, and then Blake has to
Sit on the-
I do the
Here, no, I want to sit on the
Well,
ring.
because you're gonna. Andrew will be.
No,
too-
you're the only 2 that'll fit there,
Yeah.
probably.
Stay
I
right
just
there.
heard something.
It's fine.
It's alright,
Just
that thing's
don't
made
move.
of government
I
plastic.
can't
Okay.
move, so.
You guys gotta go.
They didn't smile. The dogs would smile, so I'm not smiling.
The dogs were
Andrew,
smiling.
Blake, hurry. The dogs were too smiling.
Blake gets to be Shaggy.
No, I'm doing the reindeer.
No, you're doing the peasants. It goes by size.
Sit.
Here, we'll just do it like this. Put your hands, both hands on the peasant.
Don't look at the camera for a while.
All right.
You gotta shout her name and tell us there's a treat.
A treat.
The other way.
That's not what the dog.
Alright, so we just finished our decorations and here's what it looks like. Okay, so here is all of our stockings. That's mine, that's Chase's, that's Blake's, that's Andrew's. And then here's some stuff that's on our fireplace.
How do you know whose sock is whose?
Because it goes in order from youngest to oldest. Who looks better?
Who looks better?
Daisy or Daisy number 2? And then here's our melted Christmas trees and then our houses. Here's our nativity scene and then our sparkling Christmas tree.
Yes, Mr. Tree.
So bye, that's it for today. Please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Please thumbs up this video. And the question of the day is, what color is your tree and what color are your ornaments? And the other question of the day is, what is your high score for Yahtzee with Buddies? And thank you, Yahtzees with Buddies, for sponsoring this video. Bye.